top 2 coin that you can buy in this bull run and turn to millionaire low-key secretly. Okay, number 1 is pep. Let me repeat it again. Pep. You can use 100k to put in pep and you turn to millionaire end of the year. Pull on. Okay, so pep is the best coin that you can invest in this bull run. At least you can put 50k, 100k if it's naira, but if it's dollar you can put $80, $100. If it's naira you can put 100,000, 50,000 naira. You understand me? So pep is number 1 coin that you can invest, and I promise you that you can earn. End of this year 2026, you are going to take in massively profit. You are going to take massively profit. You know that no, I take massively profit. Number 1 is pep. Number 2 is Shiba. I know this coin it's not that kind of big high. I like, so you see that one coin is 3k, 4k. No, all this one is so little amount. You can buy it, you can avoid it with little amount too. At least you can avoid it with 50k, $50, 100k, $100. Just little amount, and you can change your life before you know end of the year. Okay guys, so number 2 is Shiba. Okay, and number 3 is, let me just give you bonus for my subscribers that watch me till the end. Number 3 is, this is secretly, but let me just give you. Number 3 is SRP. You can invest in SRP and you come and thank me later. I will not tell you how much you reach, but you thank me later end of next year. Okay.